Hi, Mr. Haslin, Grant Putnam here. Just want to go over a few things with you. Okay. Um, so back here you have a lot of moss, and the way the sun swings during the summer, it swings south. So there's not a ton of sunlight right here. So the concept was you have some clethra, existing clethra, kind of like right here. And the idea is to transplant these clethra over here, so they're blocking more of the air conditioning units. Okay, so those three get moved there. Then plant the privet, which need more sunlight, towards the front of the house over here. And the concept with that obviously is privet needs sunlight to stay dense and thick and look healthy. That's why we put them over here, and leave an opening here, a small opening just to be able to walk through if you need to walk through this side of the house. Okay. From looking at the grade here, right here when we extend 5 feet, the grade is actually quite flat, so we don't need any retaining. None of the cobblestone would be placed here. We would have to start it here and finish it here, so that's 18 linear feet. Okay, and again, it would be raised roughly, call it 12 inches above patio grade. Another option is, you're going to notice we have the green velvet boxwood going around the patio. You could continue the green velvet boxwood and put them on this side as well, if you wanted symmetry. So to do that though, we'd have to take this cobblestone and slide it over about 2.5 feet, which we could put it over here, and then again put the green velvet here, so they're on the same level as the other boxwood, so everything's on the same level. You can't put them on the other side of the Belgian block, obviously, because those are going to be 12 inches above the ground then, 12 inches above the patio then. So that's the concept with that. For the irrigation, wherever we put planting beds, we have to move heads. So we're gonna have to move some heads around the patio, around these plants. Then we're gonna end up running drip line around all the plants in here. And because we're putting the privet over here, now the concept is put the berm. A berm means like a slightly raised grade under the privet, so the water that's coming down the hill doesn't flow into the front yard. And essentially then we would install drainage starting here, going all the way along the side, and then outletting into the woods. Okay. So on the proposal, let's just see here, is there anything else we have to think about? We talked about the privet, drainage, irrigation, plantings. The irrigation work for the front of the house, same thing. We're going to end up having to move a bunch of the heads, because there's going to be heads currently located next to the street, and we're going to have to move those heads on the house side of the new planting bed, that 65-foot planting bed. So to move those along that side, then we have to add new heads between that planting bed and the street. Okay, because you want to try to prevent a lot of water from the lawn irrigation system spraying into your plants. So anyways, all the details are on the proposal. Any questions, give me a shout. Thanks a lot. Bye.